Hi friends, I'm Mayuresh So today's topic is Revenge OS 2.4 on MI1 review. My board exams have just finished, so I can make regular videos from now. So let's get to the topic. Let's see the about phone. As you can see, Revenge OS, the Android version is 9.0. The kernel is 4.9 kernel, that is Perfect Plus kernel. So let's see the customizations. In system, you get gestures, that is swipe fingerprint for notification and swipe left right to dismiss notification. Then jump to camera, swipe up for home button, prevent ringing, and 3-finger screenshot. Then in display settings, you get live display. Then in look and feel, you get color theme. Here you can choose many color themes. See for default, see you get gradient finish for each and every theme. See, which will look amazing. See, suppose flare. See, you get gradient finish for each and every theme, which will look amazing. Say suppose skyline. See, then device theme, that is light, dark or automatic. Then use dark theme when battery saver is on. Then dark theme, that is dark, that is grey or AMOLED. Main customizations are in the customization tab. You get many limited customizations. See, in status bar, you get status bar items. Then status bar battery style, that is battery style and battery percentage. Then traffic indicator. And miscellaneous, you get volt icon, show data disabled icon, gestures, that is status bar, double tap to sleep, and quick pull down. Then notification panel, you get notification, that is head up notifications and battery charging notifications. Then navigation bar, you get navigation enable, see, but no option for fling or smart bar, etc. And edge gestures. And lock screen, you get lock screen UI, is disable quick settings, face auto unlock, double tap to sleep on lock screen, and temperature unit, and lock screen shortcuts. In system, you get buttons, there's power menu customizations, then screen off power button torch, then hardware button disable, then backlight customizations, then back, home and recent button, that is overview button customizations, and volume rocker customizations. That's it for customizations. Volt is working fine. As you can see, the volt is working fine. I'll show you calls. Even the calls are working.
Come to Jio Marathi साठी एक दाबा.
As you can see, the calls are also working fine. The battery of this room is okayish. I got around 4 to 5 hours of screen on time. It's not that great. I didn't face any kind of bug. It is smooth. So what do you think? How was the video? Tell me in comment section. If you like the video, smash the like button and subscribe for more awesome video like this. So we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.
What just happened?